Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my my mini vertical happy planner that I use for social media. And I will be completely honest, I didn't post a video last week because I didn't even decorate last week. Just didn't feel like it, so I didn't do it. And that's okay. I think social media is one that I don't mind not decorating because I've gotten into a pretty good rhythm with it, but I will go ahead and decorate this week using the new sticker book Modern Year. Let's get started. Now I'm trying to decide whether this format is still the best way for me to plan out social media. Oh, hold on. If you guys hear like noises in the background, it's Lucy. Because, I mean, it's good to use this for Instagram, but what I'm also using is this grid to plan out the dates that I'm posting on Instagram and, you know, the color background. So this works well for me, so I don't necessarily need to put it here. And then in terms of my filming schedule, I normally film on a Thursday or a Friday. So I don't know if this really is the best thing for me going forward. I'm going to have a think about it, but I will still go ahead and decorate for this week. Let me just check my puppy isn't chewing. No, she's just passed out. Okay. So what I'm going to do actually is find a big box to go over this area. I feel like I'm using all of these already. And this will be for the schedule of, I was gonna say films, but no, that's not it. The list of things that I need to do. So let's put tasks, or basically I keep wanting to say the films that I need to, but no, the videos that I need to film. And I'm going to add just these leaves on the side here. So going along the same theme of what I did in my hourly and my dashboard. And then here, I'm going to place a smaller box. I like this gray box here, and that will be for my Instagram and YouTube stats. However, before I put that down, you'll be all right, be your own hero, stay true to you. I like the stay true to you. Put that down there. And this box is basically for keeping track of my Instagram and YouTube stats. And I'm really trying to look at the different ways that I can really help, you know, with the growth of my channel, because I love providing you guys with content, but it's also, you know, being able to make sure that I'm reaching a lot of people with this content. So now that is done, I think I can use flags, but there's not a ton of those. There's these check marks, which I think would actually work really well. But let's see. Yeah, the thing with this is that it does feel very basic. I feel like I need a better sort of checklist to kind of go over what I need to do. But I don't know. Okay, for the sake of argument today, we're going to use the black and gray for Instagram posts. So according to my grid here, so for the 5th, I will have a post. For the 6th, I will have 2 posts, because one will be a lifestyle photo, which I haven't decided on as of yet. Then the 7th will be the horizontal. So I generally have the same photos coming up on the same days because they coincide with when the videos come out on YouTube. 8th is my dailies. The 9th will be for fitness. And the 10th for hourly. And then Sunday is actually National Pet Day. So I'm going to either, oh, why did I choose that one? I have a couple of ideas for videos that I'm going to film for that day. Either one with Lucy or one showing you guys a memory planning spread just for Lucy. So that is, oh, and then there will be a second photo that day as well. Then down here, I will stick to these colors, but now I feel like I do need to incorporate more of those in the actual spread. So Monday will be the mini dashboard. Tuesday, this spread with the mini vertical. I'm really rethinking what to do about this. Classic horizontal. And the dailies for work. Friday is fitness. Saturday is hourly. And then Sunday, I haven't decided which video I'm gonna do yet. What would you guys be interested in? You know, another update on Lucy or seeing a memory planning spread for Lucy's first month. I don't know, what do you guys think? All right, so that is, I don't think that's done yet because I need to add more of this kind of coppery color. So let's find other ways that I can incorporate that. Like I could have totally done these, but it's only one page of those. So there would not have been enough. I think this is a tough thing as well. Actually, I thought I saw something here. So I'm gonna put loving here. Then see what else I can add in terms of more color. Maybe the Be Bold to add more of the copper color up at the top so it's a bit more even. And I love this, but there isn't enough room to put it, so I think what I'm gonna do then is just find one of the, I don't even know what shape to call it, these focus, out of office. Is that it? Wow, I'm sure there were more. I felt like there were more. Sorry guys. Focus me. I'm gonna just place that right over here. And I think then I can add a few more, I guess, smaller details in terms of these leaves. So let's do this. I'll cut right through it actually. Oops. So here I feel like I can add that and still have enough writing room. This I could place, that one's a tough one. That is a tough one because it's big. And again, there's not enough room here because I do need all of this area. So maybe just cutting this out. Or maybe not that one. Let's move this to the side. By cutting this down like this. Ah! And I've just ripped it. Damn it. Crap. Okay. Well, that was fun. Oh boy. Maybe if I actually just put it down like this. It's gonna take up room where I don't want it to take up room. And then, okay, I'm sorry, you're going there. And I'm gonna cover this up with a long quote. So let's find, ooh, there were lots of flags there. I totally didn't notice that. Okay, think happy, be happy, make today count, be Make today count seems like a good one. And then I can really cover up that spot where it ripped. Oops. And then I'm gonna have to cut off the bottom there, but that's okay. Okay, this was a lot tougher than I thought it would be. And I think it's because I'm not necessarily happy with the way I'm using this. I feel like I'm not using it in the best way possible. So let's put that down. Okay. Ooh, I don't mind the way that that's looking now, other than the fact that I've got an extra one that I could actually just put right there. Okay, I don't mind that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start writing in there, and then I'll show you guys once it's all done. So there is the overall finished spread. I do really like the way that it looks. I think it's very neutral. It's just got lovely colors in it. But now I'm really thinking about the functionality of this. Is this really working for me the way that I want to be using it? So I don't know, we'll see. I mean, this particular planner, this mini vertical, is until the end of June. So I've got a few months to think about what I want to do in terms of social media going forward from that point onwards, but we'll see. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.